Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. So, we've got another little unboxing to do today. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but let's take a look. Now this got dropped off to me yesterday, being Saturday. And I am expecting a couple of things to come, but I'm not exactly sure what this is, so we will find out together. Now I know that it's not a box of wine because I really don't drink that much. I cook with wine more than I do actually just physically drink it. So I know it's not wine. Let's take a look. There's a note. Ah, yes. I know what this is. This is rather exciting. I've seen a number of videos on these being advertised, and I saw one on Facebook, and I was like, ooh, me likey. So we have a registration form from Miele. It's a Miele product. We have operating instructions and a guarantee. We have a filter cage. We have one battery. There we go, one battery. And finally, we have, oh wow, we have the Accu Nova head. This is brand new. It's never been used. Right, let's get you guys closer and we'll take a look at what we got here. So what we have here is called the Miele Accu Nova. This is a battery powered turbo head for Miele vacuums, for all Miele vacuums. Now, I didn't realize this is brand new. You can see that this, if it has been used, I can't see any traces whatsoever of it being used. So we have, it's the Model 11 SAB 100, and it's the Accu Nova, not AccuView. They're contact lenses. So basically what this is, let's turn to page English. Safety, description of appliance, blah blah blah. So this is a roller brush driven by a battery operated motor inside the floor head. A special energy saving and safety feature ensures that the motor can only be switched on when the following conditions are met. The vacuum cleaner is switched on. The battery operated brush is being pushed backwards and forwards over a floor surface. The brush will stop rotating whenever you stop moving the floor head, and the blockage indicator light will then go out. The brush will start rotating again as soon as you move the floor head. Now, this is very exciting. Now, I am not expecting this to be working. No. It is flat as, because it's the battery is not charged on it. It didn't come with a battery charger, unfortunately. So how do you release the battery? Would help. Blah blah blah. charging the battery, use, blah blah blah. How to use to achieve the best results, blah blah blah. Charging the battery, okay. Let's have a look. It doesn't actually say how to remove the battery, which is a bit stupid. Right, technical issues, hang on a sec. So inside the Accu you can see here that it has a brush roll with a little belt on the other side, and this is a toothed belt. The brush roll just pops out very easily for cleaning, and I can see here you can change the height of it, I think, maybe not. Yeah, I think that changes the height of it. Very, very nice. Right, let's put this cap back on. Clips on. Oh God! Right, okay, hang on. God, we're having technical issues tonight, I tell you. There we go. Tighten it up. There. So I still haven't quite worked out how to take the battery out, because there's no charging port to connect it into it. But I will ask my friend Sam Watson. It's got arrows. So I'll have to ask him how to. Actually, let me take a look. Hang on. Technical issues. Okay, technical issues over. Apparently, you just push it in like that, and then you have to grab both ends and then yank it. I did it a second ago. Oh my God, really? And then you have to pull it out. God, that's really stiff. Anyway, so I don't have the charger for it yet. That should be coming in the post in the next few days. So this is just literally a quick unboxing. I don't know why it came with this, because it's nothing to do with this, but anyway, it came with it, which is always handy. And the instruction book. So there we go. This is a very, 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 very quick video, and I will do some really good demos with this. The Miele Accu. Absolutely fantastic. Didn't pay that much for it, and I genuinely didn't realise it's like brand new. That's because I've been rubbing it up and down over the carpet on this table, but it is like brand new. So anyway, thank you for watching this very short but sharp, sweet video. I will see you guys very soon. Take care and hasta luego.